Okay. Slowly drop it.
Or do you want me to put this back on?
No, we're good.
No? Okay.
Wait, is my jack stuck now?
Is it?
I don't think so.
Welcome back, Grandpa.
I think I have spray paint. The center cap.
How's my CV boots? Are they surviving?
Yo,
Okay.
fresh out. Okay, where's that paint there? Where's the kit? The caliper paint. Where did I leave it? Oh, here it is. I thought this froze over the winter, but I guess not.
Adjustable ball joints. Yeah. Ooh. It's kind of kinked here though.
Daily-driven race car, man. Oh yeah, look how fresh that looks.
They're adjustable on top.
Look at that, look how fresh this is still.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
There's
God.
so much paint.
Some painting class, kids. Here we go. Seeing the fact I painted this how long ago?
2 years ago?
And it's still holding up.
Pretty good.
Just wait till the back end. There you go. And then we'll save the rest.
Is this rusted already?
Which one?
This.
Okay, put away your purple legs, man.
Okay.
And put away the shoes. And put on the boots. 80 foot-pounds of torque. Someone used a gun. The ugly tire. Well, they're all ugly, I'm assuming.
Yeah, ratchet boots. Gross.
Or gross is good. Okay, wait.
Which tread?
Look at this one. Oh, this one's driver's side.
Yeah, this. Those two are drivers. And these two, that one, are passengers. So,
At least you got a good mechanic.
oh yeah.
That guy took care of me.
Yeah, I highly recommend the place. It's VTech Auto. The name works well too.
These wheels are so embarrassing.
They are so.
At least you won't slide and kill someone. Okay, now tighten it up.
So what were you planning to spray? Like,
It's actual paint. So
Like
it doesn't
in
rust.
the middle?
Yeah, so it doesn't rust. It's like you don't wash it. It's just like your calipers in the back, right? Well, and the rims we don't care about because it's already ruined anyways.
I don't take care of my car.
Race car life, I told you. Killed it. But you've had these wheels since what, your old Accord, right?
Yes. Yeah, these are like 4 or 5 years old.
Because I'm like, if you're
They're thick
using your
and
other
thin.
rims, you might as well just mount them on your other tires. And then you don't look so crazy. Hand tighten, I don't know why guys tighten it by. Oh, last weekend I had to change some tires for some customer side. It was so tight, I almost broke my leg breaking backs for that because someone tightened it too tight.
Or do you want me to put this back on?
Oh, we're good. Wait, is my jack stuck now?
Well, that's just great.
I don't think so.
Welcome back, Grandpa.
If it wasn't for you, Daz, I swear that this jack would never be in use as much. It's all you. Tighten your click. There you go. That's a tighten click.
Find yourself a Paul that does car stuff.
Find someone that shares the same passion.
Get a Paul, it's a good deal.
Just wait till next spring, man. Do crazy stuff. It's one wheel. But hold on.
Spray this.
Spray what?
It's kind of rusty.
You might as well take that off during the summertime and just paint it.
Yeah. Well, you get this.
Oh, it's been a while. I painted my calipers with that.
Which for what car?
I think my Toyota.
Oh, did not know that.
Because if it didn't like after I painted it, like it's still like feels awesome.
Can't open it. I'm weak.
Do it.
Okay, no, got it. My excuse is I worked out today, so I'm sore. When you work out, I'm good at it.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
I sprayed the wrong direction.
That's all I was like. Don't spray yourself in the face, man. You feel There you go. Oh, that's good.
It's let it dry.
Yeah, let it dry. We're good.
Okay.
Okay, let's do another wheel step. Oh, look at that. Just enough height, eh? Then we'll start painting this side. For months.
I wonder how long these will last. I was talking to Hanya, he said it might not last that long.
As long as you. Oh shit. Not a proper mechanic, man.
Oh, don't hire me.
Hire a pump. Like rust. Cause they're already here anyways, so. So at least you have fresh brakes now. Like look at this, it's so clean and you don't make noise. Your e-brake actually works and you don't have to put in gear. Speaking of which, that's dangerous.
Sit down and enjoy this.
Okay. I thought this all got ruined in the winter, but I guess I kept it in a warm area. Does sound nice though.
The exhaust actually, like, honestly, it's one of the best sounding.
When you got that first day when you came over, I was like, whoa. I was like,
It's a nice paint job.
it's all right.
This kit's like what, 40 bucks?
Let's see.
You need a squat rack when you got tires to do.
Like I got him a chair. Like there's a chair in drink. Washroom. He's good to go.
Did you actually buy the chair just for him?
No. So what happened was that one of my coworkers, like, I was joking with them, like, man, I want a chair like that. He's like, I'll build you one. He built me one.
Oh,
He's
you
like,
built it?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I was like, legit. I was like, sick. I was like, okay.
A beer on the side.
That's what we do.
I need a whip too. Faster! Hurry up! I got stuff to do. Winter. Seeing this is so sad. It's like, it signifies that winter's coming. Winter in Winnipeg sucks. Like, it's.
Why do you think I like winter in BC?
I recommend just leaving this place whenever you can. Save up that mola and get the fuck out of here. That's my plan.